respected and open mind, brave sister and brother beyond caste and creed, is still weeping democracy in Alauddin Patti, Thana Bilariaganj, Sagri, Azamgarh. Dear one, it was during 2015. The Panchayat election was going to held in villages around Sagri and especially Bilariaganj towns, villages. Alauddin Patti is also located in Bilariaganj town and Thana is also Bilariaganj, Tehsil Sagri. The people were with fervor happy because it was a kind of revolution going to happen in Alauddin Patti. I was a winner candidate and people were searching for a long time to change a Gunda temperament man whose supporter were Samajwadi Mantri Wasim Ahmed and his PRO egoist, a liar and a kind of timid. He cannot meet me alone in the night, and if he has courage, I challenge him to meet. He always sit near, most of the time sit near Jawahar Park, Ayub Nagar, Bilariaganj, in the Karyalaya, once of Samajwadi, but now it has become Apnawadi, Sufyan Ahmed, PCO. I was winner, but as soon as the election started, a huge gathering came to cast their vote in my own favor. But at that time, to make the defeater winner, I means Anwar's wife and very blind, egoist, Gunda temperament that has died, Wasim Mantri and his PRO used the power and the ignite and exploited the STM. Sagri at the time posted in Sagri 2015 at the time when Panchayat election was held, especially zonal magistrate. It was pre-planned, at least 100 feet long. A conflict was done between two group, and the group who started conflict, it was egged and ignited by the Anis Ahmed, PRO of Wasim Mantri, a liar, Bhagwada, Jhoota, Buzdil and Hijra. But I am still astonished, and very soon I am going to write the whole history of Samajwadi, especially Muslim Samajwadi, who are being supported by the Samajwadi, and they are cursing Muslim people in villages. There are 2 and 3 Gunda type in every village, and they are being supported by the Vidhayak, especially in Gopalpur. And now this work is done by the present Vidhayak, Nafis Ahmed. He is a very silent but just like sweet poison, and is also supporter of the Anwar Ahmed, who is the land mafia. But I want to tell you, for which I am so astonished I am making this video. SDM is PCS man, highly educated. If he is used, and no doubt he was used, because I was dragged from the polling booth and I was beaten and put and thrown into the Bilariaganj Thana from at least 8:30 till the sunset. At the time, the Diwan was Mehboob Alam, a nobleman. I asked those who are crying in the favor of Samajwadi, they should tell their Neta, first they understand, especially Muslim Neta, what is the meaning of Samajwadi and what is the dream of Manohar Lohia, respectable and honorable man. So I want to send a message to the opposition Neta, respected Akhilesh ji, if such kind of evil and satanics MLAs you are going to give the tickets, defeat is must. They are not criminal, they are destroyer of democracy. It was done by your minister Wasim Ahmed during 2015, and now it is again such kind of evils are being supported and planted by the Nafis, a kind of silent and poison. At last, I want to meet the SDM, Sagri and Zonal Magistrate, where they are. Few cup of water is enough to destroy their life because they are barbaric, they are killer of democracy, they are blind, perhaps they were greedy for money and promotion. I question as a teacher and like highly educated man, my life was destroyed by them, and especially the policeman who beat me and dragged me badly. They should come and talk me. Otherwise, few glass of water from Ganga with a slok is must to destroy their family. Hum Ashar Salm Azmi.